Oh, hi friends. Welcome to Motivational Minute with me, Oliver. Today I'm going to be talking about how to stay motivated on your writing journey. Hi everybody. Sometimes we've talked about being silly, being goofy, changing things up, like maybe having your dog do your intro for your YouTube video, or maybe filming while a plane flies overhead. Unexpected things happen, and sometimes it's good to just embrace them. Whether that means getting your writing in the morning instead of the evening one day, changing up your genre because suddenly you're very inspired by a fantasy idea and you normally write something that's a little bit more contemporary. As writers, I feel like we need to remind ourselves once in a while to go with the flow and see where our lives and our stories take us. Don't be scared to try new things. Remember to keep connected with your community and ask for help, and I will see you guys again next Monday. Bye everyone! Also check out all the information and links down below. Like and subscribe! Bye everybody!